Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. And I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos always involving lots and lots of pink and lots of sparkle. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, then please do keep on watching and hit that subscribe button. I would be so grateful to welcome you into my Pink Angel family. This is just a happy, positive place on the internet. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, then make sure to subscribe. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_. There's always so much more pink content on there and I love chatting to you guys, so make sure to give me a follow. For today's video, as promised, I am showing you a makeup tutorial using the Too Faced Cinnamon Bear palette, also the liquid lipstick that comes with this set, and I've created this makeup look which I really love. It's very different for me using this bold lip, but you know what, I actually really like how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did this, then please do keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off this look by priming my eyes, and I'm using the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance, which I always start my eyeshadow looks with. And I just use the tiniest amount because a little bit really does go a long way with this product. And I just pop that all over my eyelids. And after that, the next step in all of my eye looks is to set that eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use the colour here called Cereal Milk. It's this one right here. It's just a kind of peachy pink colour, and I just use my Real Techniques contour brush and I just pack that on all over the lid, and I find that this just helps my eyeshadow to blend really nicely and just look really flawless. Don't really know what my plan is for this makeup look, but I'm just going to go for it. This is such a gorgeous palette. I'm obsessed with all of these colours, so I think I'm going to start off with the shade Bear Hug. I think it's always good to start with a kind of light brown transition shade. Just pop that through my crease. These shades blend really nicely, very smooth, as always for Too Faced. I'm going to go for the shade Red Hots, which is this matte one here, and I'm just going to dip in really lightly and pop that right in the outer part of my eye. And blend up the way a little bit. Oh, I like that. I actually tried this eyeshadow palette once. And the only thing I would say about it is that there's not like a shimmery light colour that I can put in the inner corner of my eye. They just have matte shade, which is nice, but I like to put a little bit of shimmer in like my tear duct and also kind of in the inside part of my eye, like here, just to brighten things up a little. So that's a little bit annoying, but I have other colours, it's okay. I actually got quite a few parcels arriving to my house today. I have done a lot of Christmas shopping. I'm basically almost done, like I just have a few more things to get, but I have quite a few deliveries coming today and the rest of the week. I got a few things on Black Friday, but I honestly didn't get much this Black Friday. I don't know, didn't think there wasn't really anything that I was loving, so I just got a few wee things for other people. I'm waiting on them to arrive. But how are you guys doing with your Christmas shopping? Are you organised, or have you done none of it? I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to wet it using Body Shop Face Mist. This is the Mandarin one. I really like it. I'm going to spritz that. And I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon Sugar and I'm going to put that mainly on the middle part of my eye, and then I think I'll blend a little bit of Pop of Chili right into the outer part of my eye. So since tomorrow is the 1st of December, I've decided that I'm going to put up my Christmas decorations. I've really been holding back because I wanted to wait till December, but I just can't wait anymore, so I think I'm going to do that, and I'll definitely film that because I've got some really cute new decorations that I want to show you guys. This is a really nice colour, I really like this. So many people have their Christmas decorations up already, like around near where I live. There's loads and loads of decorations, so I'm feeling left out, so I'm just going to do the ones in my bedroom. I don't think we'll do the ones in the whole house yet, but I need my pink winter wonderland. So I feel like I've been so bad with filming and posting Instagrams and things, and I just keep on apologising to you guys, but I've just been so busy. I've basically, after I graduated, I got a kind of a job doing like consultancy for digital marketing things, and it's really interesting and I'm really enjoying it, but it's taking up a lot of time, so it's not meant to be like a permanent thing. It's just kind of helping people out at the moment, and then I'm also applying for full-time jobs, so it's actually really hard to just find a minute to sit down and film, and I keep on meaning to do it and then I just don't have the time. I just always like think I'm gonna be able to film one day and then wake up, check my emails, and I've got more work to do, so it's just been a little bit hectic, but I love filming for you guys and I love posting pink girly content, so I hope that you guys like still stick around. I'm sorry I'm not as consistent in my posting anymore, but I'm really gonna try and still keep filming because I really love it. I'm just popping that pop of chili colour on my outer corner. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to, I think it needs something else though, so let's see what I can do. I'm going to add some sparkles to this because I think it needs it. So normally I would use my Stila Glitter and Glow eye glitter, but I actually think this is drying out. I've basically used it all, so I'm going to use another one instead, and this is the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner. I actually haven't used this in ages. I used to be obsessed with these glitter eyeliners when I was in high school. I don't know if anyone else would have been the same, but like every school dance I would go to Boots and pick out a new coloured glitter eyeliner, because these are actually really good though. So I'm just going to pop that in the centre. I just found a loose pigment glitter in my drawers, and this is from Barry M, and this is their Glitter Rush in the shade Snow Globe, which is very festive. Oh, it's gone everywhere. I'm just going to pop that on my finger, a tiny little bit of that, and then kind of put that on top of the glitter eyeliner, and hopefully it'll stick. And just give it a little bit extra sparkle. That's just added a little bit of brightness in the centre and sparkle, and I really like that, so do that in the other eye. This glitter eyeliner is in this shade Cosmic Stars. I'm just going to put some eyeliner just right on the lash line. I just think this makes my eyelashes look a little bit thicker, and I find that when I'm doing a darker eyeshadow look it just looks nicer. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is the waterproof one that I got the other week. And I'm just going to curl my lashes and then pop this on. How amazing is that mascara? It's so good. So now for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. As always, I love this, it's amazing, and I'm going to speed through doing this because you've already seen me do this loads of times. But I'm really liking my hair like this. Basically last night I washed it and then I straightened it just so that it was nice and smooth, and then I put it into 2 pigtail braids, and then I got up this morning and I used this like triple barrel thing, and it like crimps the top of your hair and it gives the same effect that you would when you braid it. I used the crimpy thing for like the top parts of my hair that the braid hadn't got, so it's all wavy now and I really like the effect. Like, I think it's quite like Molly May, I really love it, but the only thing is that using that crimping thing is so difficult. Like, I've had it for years and I hardly ever use it because it's so awkward to use. It's really hot and it's really heavy and I always seem to end up burning myself, and as always I did that, so I burnt my shoulder today. I don't know if you can see, but like, look how bad that is. So I like my hair, but I injured myself in the process. And now I'm going to take some lighter concealer. This is the 17 Stay Time concealer and it's in the shade Extra Fair, and I'm just going to pop some of this onto my under eyes. I just put like a little bit right there, and then when I've done like a kind of darker eyeshadow look, I will just really neatly make a line so that it just kind of cleans up that area. So now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette and the Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just going to take the light and medium highlight and I'm going to pop that under my eyes, and that just sets and brightens. I really like this powder. I've said this before, but it just smooths your skin really nicely and makes it look really flawless. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use a Collection Primed and Ready Illuminating Setting Powder. And then using the bronzer that I got in my haul last week, I have the Too Faced Chocolate Silly Bronzer, my all-time favourite bronzer, and I'm just going to take that on my Real Techniques Duo Fibre Face Brush. And I kind of bronze up but also contour at the same time because it's kind of more cool toned. I can contour a little bit with it. I always take that down my neck as well because I'm quite pale. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the one in the Cinnamon Bear palette. It's just called Cinnamon Bear and it's a really pretty pink colour. I'm just going to use it really lightly because it is so pigmented. And then I will put on some highlighter. I'm going to use Becca Opal to highlight. Blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my eyes. I'm going to use, I think, the colour Cinnamon Sugar. I'm going to use this pencil. It's like a kind of crayon thing and it's from a brand called Trifle Cosmetics, which are actually really cute. You should look them up on Instagram, they're adorable. And this is their Sweet Strobe Creamy Stick Illuminator. It's kind of like the NYX jumbo crayon things, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to doing the lips, and I have the liquid lipstick which came with this palette and I will pop this on, but first I wanted to talk through a couple of different options because I feel like if this was a daytime look I definitely wouldn't wear the bright red, so I would go for either just my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. This is my favourite lip gloss ever, as I've mentioned. It's so glossy and beautiful, and it just kind of, it's like your lips but better, and it's so moisturising and lovely. So I would say that would look really nicely with this eyeshadow look. I think it's just kind of more natural. But also this here from Bite, this lipstick, it's in the shade Chai, and it's a kind of darker red colour, and I think it's really pretty and kind of more blotted on, would be really lovely. And then on top of that I would use this lip gloss here, which is from Pixie, and it's, I think it's just a kind of rose gold. It's called Glassy, but it's literally a rose gold lip gloss. It's stunning and it's so beautiful, like it's so lovely. I really love this lip gloss, especially around Christmas. I don't know why, it just gives me Christmassy vibes. And I've also got like an eyeshadow that's like a liquid eyeshadow that came with this, and they are gorgeous together, but so beautiful. And since the eyeshadow is kind of rose gold anyway, I think that'd be really cute. For this video I am going to show you guys me testing out the Melted Matte liquid lipstick from Too Faced, which is in the shade Cinnamon Bear, and it came with the eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna line my lips, and the closest lip liner that I can find in my collection is from MUA, and it's in the shade Brooding Plum. So I'm kind of scared, like I never wear a bright lip or a liquid lip, so I'm gonna be brave. Ooh, it smells nice. It doesn't smell like cinnamon though, like the whole palette. I thought it would smell like cinnamon because it's Cinnamon Bear, but it doesn't. I think I'm going to apply it more like a stain and kind of blend it in because it's intense. It's the exact same colour as that lip liner though, that's so good. So other than the fact that I managed to get that lipstick all over my teeth, I think it looks really lovely. Definitely the shade of red that I would go for if I were to wear reds more often, but maybe I could pull this off around Christmas time. I mean, it is December tomorrow and I'll get my Christmas jumpers out, so maybe I can pull it off. That is the makeup look complete. I actually really love how it turned out, and the lip colour is so bold for me, but I really like it. I think it looks good. Honestly, this palette is adorable. It just gives me serious like Valentine's vibes because of the little hearts and the fact that it's so pink and sparkly, but it's so pretty and I really love it. And then this is really cute as well. That you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then let me know in the comments. And also I hope it helped if you are interested in buying this palette for yourself, or maybe for getting it for Christmas, and I would really highly recommend it. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye Pink Angels!